Hi, I'm Joe Hupcey, and I'm here with the CEO of AMIQ, Christian Amertoire, to talk about what's new at AMIQ for DAC 2012. So Christian, what's new?
Hi Joe. This year at DAC we introduced some design-oriented features. DVT stands for Design and Verification Tools. Probably for a long time, due to the fact that we focused initially on verification languages like E and then System Verilog, people thought that we are a company that is focused just on verification, and maybe design and verification became design verification. But we started to get more and more interest from the designers and get more and more requests for enhancements and features, and we started to implement them. And this year at DAC we are showcasing these new features.
And so as I understand it, these are additions to the Verissimo product that you launched at DVCon?
Actually not. The Verissimo product is focused on linting test bench code.
Okay.
So that one is specifically a verification-oriented product. It's not going into the designer's world. The extensions that we are showing this year are extensions to the IDE, so to the development environment.
So what's an example then of a designer-specific extension?
So for example, you have capabilities to navigate easier in the code or to understand the code structure easier. We have two features here. One is the ability to trace connections in the design, so you can select a port of some module in the design hierarchy and you can see how the signal propagates. You can visualize this, as usual in a very intuitive way in DVT. You can see also the drivers of a signal, the loads of a signal. So in the same place where you write your code or where you extend it or you fix issues, you can very easily see how stuff propagates. Another example in this area is the ability to create module diagrams. This means that you can easily pick a module and you can say, please show me the structure of this module, and we show the sub-modules and how the signals flow between them, and you can click on the diagram and jump to the source code and the other way around. It's very convenient to have it in the same environment where you develop the code. Then we have features that are more powerful in changing the code, in what we call refactoring, by using a commonly used term from the software world. For example, we added one capability that is to connect two modules in the design hierarchy. So for example, I want to propagate a signal from some model deep the hierarchy and take it to some other tree, branch of the tree. And usually, this involves creating a ports that go all the way up to the hierarchy and then down. And this can be an error-prone operation and annoying as well. So in DVT, you just select in the design hierarchy the instances that you want to connect. You just give the name of the signal. You can tune, obviously, a few parameters. And then you can preview the source code changes. But more importantly, you can see the structural changes, because you see what modules are affected, and if you have instances that are isolated or the same module is used in other places, you can see that you may end up having some dangling ports in some sides of the design that you didn't plan in the first place to change. So, and this operation, which is just one of a set of major operations that allow you to manipulate the design that we will add, is already, very popular, because we've seen, a lot of enthusiasm, and we knew that this will happen because there are a lot of subscribers to this feature, and this is how we built it.
Terrific. And it sounds like I think there are a lot more additions that you've made, like you've only scratched the surface. So how can customers learn more? As I recall, you guys are very good about making evaluation versions available on your website, correct?
Exactly. We believe that playing with the tool is the best way to convince somebody. So at any time you can go on the dvteclipse.com webpage, and there is a section, license, and then you can send your information and request for a trial, and we will send you back the license, obviously. And we can organize demos as needed. We can assist you in integrating the tool into your flow if needed. And then wish you, good luck, and us as well, in having a successful evaluation.
Terrific. Well, thanks for the update, Christian.
Thanks a lot, Joe, again for this opportunity, and let's see how it will go.
You bet. I'm sure you'll be quite successful.
Thank you.